toss these in. We're gonna take our clams. And we're just gonna let them thaw out right in the pan there. Top that with 2 cups of water. Just kind of poke it around a little bit. Let it do its thing. Okay, so we're just gonna cover that up with 4 cups of water here. Okay, and then just cover up your clams with the water. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this up. Throw in a little bit of salt. Get it boiling a little quicker. And then bring them to a boil, but not a complete boil for. And we're going to let it go for about 7 minutes. Alright, you know what would be awesome with this too? Is some bacon. But you know what? I am not going to do some bacon. Did up a little steak last night. So just going to cut this up into fine little pieces here. Okay, while you got that going on, you might as well grab yourself an onion. Okay, see, kind of this is what I'm talking about. Get it to a boil, but not complete boil here. And then just let it go for 7 minutes. Okay, boom. Grab yourself another pot there. Grab your onions. Toss those in there. Okay, grab yourself a little strainer there. Okay. Some paper towel. Okay. And hey, you know, this is how you do make your own clam juice. Okay, right on. Now, what we're gonna do is we're just gonna slowly pour our mixture over the top. Kind of let it siphon through. And then there you go. You got your clam sauce. Just put that off to the side for a bit. And then grab your onions and whatnot. Take those up to medium. You chop up a couple stalks of celery. And let those go, kind of saute them up for, probably about 4 minutes. Okay, boom, grab yourself about 3 potatoes or so, 3, 4, and just peel those up while you got that going on. But you can use whatever you like, man. Personal choice. And if you want to use a potato peeler, awesome. Have at her. I'm just peeling them up with just a pair knife here. Grab yourself your all-purpose flour there. Okay, and this is kind of a personal choice one here, so just start off with a tablespoon. We're just going to pop that in there, maybe a little bit more. Okay, this is why I say it's personal, is because it depends how thick you want it, right? So I'm just going to throw in about 1 and a bit-ish of all-purpose flour, and just kind of cook that in. Okay. Get that in there. Let that go for probably about 30 seconds or so. same time you're doing that, throw your potatoes in there. You got them nice diced up into small little bits. Yeah, we're just gonna stir that up. I'm gonna throw in a couple good dabs of butter. Oh, this smells good, guys. Okay, now grab yourself some thyme and sprinkle. Oh yeah, throw some thyme in there. Oh. I'm gonna go with probably about a couple teaspoons. Okay, we're gonna toss that in there. Boom. We're going to throw in, probably about a half a cup of corn. If you don't want to use corn, don't use it. That's your choice. Okay? And then you give that a quick little stir-rama. Okay? Your clam broth, remember the clam broth? We're just going to slowly pour that in. Oh yeah. There we go. Boom. And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring this up to a boil. We're going to bring it down to a simmer for probably about 25 minutes. Okay? Give it a little dash of salt. A little pepper for loving. There we go. Getting there. Okay, there we go. Bring her to a good boil. Turn her down to low. Cover it up. Give it a little crack there, right? Boom. 25 minutes. Boom, there we go. It's been 25 minutes. Now grab those clams that you got sitting off to the side. Toss them in. Give them a little stir-rama. Throw in about a cup and a half, heavy cream of your choice. Your bacon, or as in my case, my steak. Just because the dog needs some cheese, I'm going to sprinkle on some cheese. Some cheddar cheese. About, maybe a half cup. Boom, there you go. And then just salt and pepper to taste here. And I did throw in, about maybe a quarter cup of cheese. Cheddar cheese. Throw some parsley in, why not? So, and throw in about a tablespoon-ish. Well, there you have it. Clam chowder with some steak. Hey, look at that. Look at it. Oh yeah. Yeah, so there you go. Not super thick, but you know, you can thicken her up if you want. Moment of truth, guys. Really good. Yeah, with that steak. Hey, you know, land and water, right? Right on, guys. Well, you know, it's once, twice, 3 times a week, sometimes 4. Drop a vid. So, yeah, you like what you see, you know, consider, you know, subscribing and give me a big thumbs up. And you guys keep calm, be cool. Till next time. Hey, if you're still watching, you're in for a treat here. I used a little bit of butter, maybe a half cup, and almond milk for my heavy cream. And it was aces.